Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Here, should I wear this?
Yes. I will.
What could it be? Open it.
I will. Can I open it?
Uh-huh.
You open it.
I open it.
Gary don't open things. Gary don't open
Dun,
things.
dun, dun, dun. What is that?
Let's take, and here it is.
That's to put them all away.
Yes. So hold it. Or I.
Hey, here.
And these are. What they're cool to be. These are. What these are.
What are they? Why are they stuck together like that? What is that?
Let's go together. Tester. Oh, safety. These are stuck together.
Like this? Like this? Look. Wow, isn't that cool?
Yes. I wouldn't do that.
Yeah. Look at all the stuff you could build with it. Look at it.
Can you blue these?
Yeah.
Can you blue these? Trying to really
The
get
square? Here, let's see.
it?
Like that? Like that? Do you like that? Look at that. Awesome!
But it needs some in the top. Thank you. Need some. Where's the wheels?
No, there's no wheels. Not with this one. I know, I see it. There are some that come with wheels, but not this one. I got you more pieces. You got more of these. Isn't that cool? What do you want to build?
A castle.
Want to build a castle?
Yes. Build a castle.
So do we go like this? And build some more pieces like that?
And build it
Like
here.
that? Oh. Like that?
Need a little more.
More? Whoop.
I need a little triangle.
And then like this?
You need a
Maybe
little triangle.
like that? Like that? Oh!
I need a little piece. They're sticky.
Yeah, they're magnets. Evie, they're magnets. Isn't that cool? Hi, June.
They're sandwich.
There's a sandwich.
These are sandwich.